Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by validating access and the instance identity. You need admin rights and the SQL instance name. Once confirmed, open SQL Server Configuration Manager, or, if unavailable, use Windows Services to identify the SQL Server service name. Make sure to stop guessing whether it's default or named. Check services like MS SQL Server or MS SQL $instance. Next, locate the SQL Server Network Configuration node in the Configuration Manager so you can inspect TCP/IP properties and find the port binding. Now you'll inspect the TCP/IP protocol configuration to find the port. Expand protocols for the instance and open TCP/IP properties. Under the IP Addresses tab, scroll to each IPN section and to IP All. If TCP dynamic ports has a value, SQL uses a dynamic port. If TCP port has a number, that's your fixed port. Once done, note the effective port for the specific IP used by clients. Also check SQL Server error log for the started port if settings seem ambiguous. To finish, restart the SQL Server service and open the SQL Server error log to confirm the port SQL is listening on. The log prints the TCP port at startup. You can also run netstat-ono or PowerShell getnet TCP connection and match the PID to SQL Server. EXE or attempt a client connection using server name, port to verify. If connection fails, make sure Windows Firewall allows that port. The instance name was correct, and you accounted for dynamic ports. Change to a fixed port if predictable connectivity is.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.